Hello, this is Chris here. Today I'm going to talk about portraiture. This is by Imaginomic. It's a plugin used to airbrush or to smoothen up the skin in portraits. If you've seen my previous tutorial, I was demonstrating on how to smoothen up the skin manually using like Gaussian blur and the healing brush to take off blemishes. But this one, if you're not very good in Photoshop, this will help you very much because you don't really need to do much. Besides, just go and open in filter, just open that portraiture and just apply it. So you end up achieving the same goal with using blurring and the healing brush. So I go ahead and open up this image. Anyway, before I start, I just need to, okay, I just duplicate this. We need to duplicate this so that we always keep the original as it is. Then I have to just take off the blemishes using the healing brush. Just the obvious ones. I'm not gonna go into detail with this since I've demonstrated on how to use the healing brush before. Anyway, that's about it. So I'm at I can just duplicate it again so that next time when we finish the results, we need to see the before and after. What I do is now is go to filter and open Imaginomic portraiture. You can see on the left hand side here we've got enhanced tones. Let me enlarge this. You see already it's showing some good signs, and you have got various options here. You've got the default ones, which is the one that I usually prefer because it doesn't distort the skin. You can see the skin has got some textures, and it still has some blemishes and looks like normal skin. But if you want to go for like the model type, you've got enhanced glamour, which makes the skin very pale and light. But to me, it looks very airbrushed. I don't like that one. Smoothing normal, still not good enough for me, but it's better than the glamour one. I usually come to the default one, but we've got enhanced tones as well. I quite like this one, but you might need to just add a little bit back the details because you can see on the nose here we are losing the detail, and on the eyelashes we're losing the detail as well, and the mouth, those lines, you need them. So I will go ahead and say okay. There's our image. That is the before, the after and the before. You see already there's a big change there, but I want to retain some of the detail because it starts losing detail because it fills up even in where you want more detail. So I'll put a layer mask there. Take a brush tool. Then I just need to I just draw back somewhere I want to put back the detail here, like here. The brush, you put it like 18% or even more. You can put it about 40%. Say you draw back all the detail that you want in the back. Draw the detail there. On the nose, the tip of the nose, especially these lines, you need to retain this because it defines the features of the person, because you end up losing the features. So you need to put back the detail on the nose. On the lips, you need to put back those lines a bit, and the line there on the mouth. There you go. And the ears, to put a little bit of detail, especially on the earrings. And if you've got time, you can put back the detail on the clothing. Clothing is very important. You can even actually put it back to 100% the detail, because you don't want clothes that are blurred. It actually shows that it has been retouched. So you take off, you put back the detail. You can see how much detail I had already lost. There you go. That's the I can make my brush even bigger and just put detail everywhere down here. I can just put detail here. Oops. Put detail down here, down here, down here. So all the detail is back. Even on the hair, I can put detail back there. I can put detail back there, even on the background here, because I want this. See, I can put it back to 8 to 40%. I can just put bit there, bit there, bit there. I had forgotten something on the. I just need a little bit of detail on the eyebrows there. Just need to draw. There you go. That's your image there. Then we've got this, the after. Then we've got the before. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you